holder.
What's this red stuff?
That's an adhesive tape. It's like a double-sided tape, so that we could put like little accessories like carbon fiber or whatever it is, you know.
Now you just place the tape all over the whole thing.
Pretty much just remove this little red strip. You want to leave it right here to the side, like so. Reason you do it like this is because a lot of people, they just peel it all off, put it, and it's uneven. Line it up. There's like boom. Bing. Oh well. Bing. Let me see the side right here. Perfect. Oh yeah. Gotta go a little more this way, right there. And then you peel.
Ooh.
Satisfying.
Stick the back part. So, and now you do the front side.
And what kind of tape is
too much pressure, because by adding too much pressure, the tape will rip and it'll get stuck inside. And just like that, and then you just do a little wipe out, and then it's.
What do you got on your shoulder?
Around like $3,000.
$3,000?
Yep. So this guy right here, he had an Adro bumper already. I guess he hit something on the freeway, completely broke it.
Damn.
So we ordered a whole new bumper for him. We're just gonna paint it today.
Quería confirmar que sí está bien. Como que este está verde y este no. ¿Sí los ven? Mira.
So is this not just like a regular black?
Black Pro. It's just a regular paint, but it has like metallic and Pro on it. Because I already have the tryout, but this is a card that has the same coat, so I just go over this to see which one much better. Because I have the Prime, the standard one. The standard one, and the bluer is a different variant.
When are you going with the standard one or the one with the blue?
The standard one, much better.
Nice. Okay.
Tenemos totalmente finalizado el hood del G80 Carbon Fiber. Está listo para el siguiente paso. Viene siendo Dream, touchscreen, diffuser, and front lip, cut meter.
We just brought to the collision department a Miami Blue G80.
Looks amazing, especially with the orange seats on the inside.
I thought it was a rat. And look at the interior, bucket seats, orange seats,
Wow.
carbon steering wheel. I think he added that, but I think he spec'd out this car.
You never seen this color like this?
In my 5 decades of working in cars, I've never seen this color.
He needs to like just do the calipers, I would say.
I think the calipers, little pearl white color on them.
You think so?
Orange.
Little orange would look cool.
Oh yeah, carbon ceramics. Damn, this guy got money.
345, 35, 18 for a good friend, Dandy. He just twin turbo the R8. It was crazy, bro. You have a twin turbo Huracan. Like, why? Now you get a twin turbo R8, and you have, what's it called? A Ventador, and 2 Urises. Bro, what?
Trans is done, turbo kit is done, exhaust is put on together. Last thing is you have to slap on this Headlight Delete and put everything back together.
So this is your testing just for the carbon fiber hood over there?
Yeah, the end has to look like a little bit like this.
Like pointy like that?
Yeah. It could be thicker, thinner. So I just stuck to Jersey like this one. So I'm just gonna work to make it.
Really? You're gonna recreate that?
The hood is a carbon fiber, but I'm gonna paint it same as the car color. But I'm gonna leave this interiors same as it is carbon fiber. Right now I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna mask the interior here. And I'm gonna put sealer and then paint the same paint as the car. And then after I paint it, I'm gonna remove the tape so we can keep the shapes on the carbon fiber black, and then I just clear it.
We do have that Miami Blue BMW G80 that came in for a paint match on this carbon fiber hood. So you guys can see, as you guys heard from Miguel, he did start prepping the carbon fiber hood just to get this design going. So what the customer stated and what the customer wants is that he wants the side panels on the carbon hood to actually be exposed carbon, while the rest of the hood is gonna be paint matched to the actual color of the car. So you guys stay tuned on this one and see the results on it.
We have a 2016 Mercedes C300. Changed the fender, we got a new bumper, we got a new headlight, had to blend the hood and the door. For the people who don't know what a blend is, it's when you basically paint the adjacent panel to the damaged one just so the paint looks 100%. Hopefully the customer likes it, we'll get the reaction when they come down. C-Class we had in the booth last week. See, it's brand new again. We even switched this right here. Nice and shiny again. So we blended the door and the hood. So it looks brand new again. 100%.
Dude, this looks nice.
It's clean again, huh?
Heck yeah, it looks brand new. Did you guys see the car before?
Yeah.
How bad was it?
It wasn't too bad, but the thing was coming up. And
Yeah.
the
It
bumper
was,
kinda,
well, yeah, now it's nice.
So how does it look now?
Very nice.
looks nice,
You did a good job. Very nice. New even. It looks good. You guys did a really good job. It looks better than before. Yeah, it looks really good. Thank you.
What is this? Oh, there's like frame, like inner them.
It's gonna be a rear suspension.
You know what happened to the car?
Why? It's a curve or something.
That must have been a big curve.
Yeah, que la
Sandía,
piña, tamarindo, vainilla pa la niña.
Hey, I'm gonna just get little cones.
I'm trying to. Nah. Go get the bucket of ice cream.
Into la Michoacana. It's not your regular Michoacana, it's a VIP. They got the best stuff here. Dos paletas de mango, pepino con chamoy. Dos de esos. Otro de sandía. Dos de tamarindo. Watermelon, mango, pepino, and tamarindo. Getting some ice cream for the guys at the shop. I think I'm about to rent one for the day. Go take it around. Put it up with some ice cream, take it around. Or give away back to the community.
¿Cuánto cuesta para rentar uno de esos?
350 por 100 paletas.
So we're taking it off, figuring out how it looks.
This process is done. You cover the part that you want to stay carbon.
Yeah.
Like exposed to carbon with tape. Waiting our painter right here. He's such a badass, bro. Con mucho cuidado y ya de allá para acá se sale todo.
No, ya leí el modo, espérame.
Gotta do that super carefully.
Dos. Pero la mayoría le da como 5 o 6 vueltas. Sí, nomás le doy dos.
You're gonna shoot the clear or what, Chris? Are you really?
I'll leave a mean drift. So he's about to start throwing the clear on the hood. Oh yeah! Car just came in, got rear-ended.
Don't look bad at all. Oh, barely.
Oh, it hit right here too. What's up, bro? So what happened right here?
The one that was driving that one night.
I got hit from the side.
Cool, and did you guys get their information or?
Yeah, we have a claim number to the insurance.
Okay, cool.
What kind of car was it that hit you guys?
It was a Nissan Altima.
Like driving under the influence?
No.
You guys should have. They would have got there. They would have did a test on them. Oh yeah, you can't be driving. Oh damn.
Yeah, this one says. Nothing pretty much happened to mine, but...
So all you guys had stop signs?
No, he didn't have stop sign, no, because mine was a big street.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of hard to fight that.
Yeah.
Vermont is a big ass street, so we could go.
Yeah.
Oh, like in Hollywood type?
So it's like this
Yeah, I know
and
what you're
having a
talking
stop sign here to cross.
Yeah.
Type of thing.
But it's
Yeah,
a pretty
it's kinda
big
hard
street
to
because it
fight
has
that.
stop sign from both, coming from both sides.
Because you could even be like, oh, I stopped, I went, and then he came, but they're still gonna be like, oh.
Yeah. Well, she got the footage though.
Oh, really?
It was hard.
Oh,
Don't-
The mom did
damn.
everything to get for her not to be at fault.
And there you guys have it. Miami Blue G80 is finally done. The hood just got finished getting buffed. As you guys can see, the customer did want this carbon effect right here on the sides. So all this got paint matched to the car. So yeah, if you guys are interested in having your carbon fiber with a custom effect like this, just make sure you do contact us. We have PT Performance and we'll get you right we'll get you right, man.
Adro ducts.
So this car is getting an Adro what?
We already had it, but it's just replacing the duct.
Oh, just replacing it? How much do you think these are worth?
I don't know. They're expensive, though. Should I break them?
How hard is it to install these?
Not that hard. Just clip it on.
So what's so special about these? Just because they're carbon fiber?
Because they're carbon. Because of the name Adro. Smack it on. Put all this back on.
Ahorita, ¿qué estás haciendo?
Estamos haciendo el logo para la cámara, nomás que como estos vienen en la parrilla de carbon, tenemos que hacerle la cámara que quede aquí, tenemos que taladrar para que quede.
Nice.
Perfect.
It is perfect. The camera right there. So now we're gonna put the carbon lip onto this Adro bumper. This is what happens after hours at PQ. Sandor just gets naked.
160 solid muscle.
Let me see a kick. Let me see a kick.
Una pata.
That's a dangerous man right there, brother.
Grande payaso.
Manny started coming out on camera and bro gets haircuts now every week.
Thursdays at PQ Performance. What do we do Thursday after work, brother?
Little haircut. The homie Gio.
Fix up the whole shop, check it out.
For free.
What do you think about your haircut?
I like it. It's perfect every time.
What do you think about cutting Manny's hair?
I love it. I love Manny.
Famous person you ever cut up? Besides Edward.
Adrian, nah.
Oh yeah, I doubt it.
Fresh behind the camera. In front of the camera.
Okay, what is the Adrian haircut, bro? What do you ask for?
Brother, I got one of the weakest haircuts, I think. It's a good quality haircut. The homie gets down, but just my style is weak.
Yeah. So if wait, Gio, if you were to ask for the Adrian haircut, what would you get?
Damn, a low fade. That simple. He's a simple man.
No fade, slick back.
With some scissor action on top.
When you get a slick back hair, I think that's just the definition that you're getting old. It's an old guy haircut.
The lip is put on and here is the final result.